right now at Robin Residences, a low-density freehold development set in the prestigious District 10 private enclave.
Today, we're going to showcase to you a studio apartment of 409 square feet, very well maintained and almost movie condition. Hi, I'm Ning.
I'm Michelle, we're from Urban Agents. Come, check it out with us.
Let's go.
So Ning, you see, like just now you mentioned about the 409 square feet for this apartment,
Yes.
right? But if you look at the high ceiling, it's approximate 4 meter.
Right.
So it makes the whole place looks even more spacious and brighter than it is.
Yes, I can feel it. It's nice.
And on your right is where we have the integrated fridge. So everything is like neatly tucked with very nice decor and design with the freezer. And if you move in closer, all the top and the bottom cabinets give you ample storage space.
Right.
And it comes with slow closing mechanism.
In fact, it's all flush and I like the color.
Yes.
It's very minimalist.
Yeah.
Okay.
See? And if you look at the hood, hob, as well as the oven, they are all of very renowned brand, VD3.
I look at the hood, the hob, and the oven. It's like, it's almost brand new.
Yes. It's just about 4 years old and it's very underutilized. It's almost like brand new.
Yes, because this place is too convenient. I think whoever stays here, they can conveniently buy any food from outside or dine and then before they come home.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. And behind me, look at this storage space. Okay, this is where we have the washer and the dryer.
Look, if you didn't tell me, I thought it's just part of like the cabinets. It's so well tucked away. And look at the ceiling.
Yes.
It's so high.
It's very high. It's almost the same ceiling height as where we are standing right now for the kitchenette area.
Wow, that's about 1.5 of me standing on top of the washer. In fact, these days, right, you can even do like a remote where the rack can be adjusted down and you can hook anything and then you can bring it up again. Wow, I can fully utilize this space. Nice.
And then even if you want to have a separate washer dryer, you can even do that.
I'm sure.
No
that's
issue
enough.
at all.
Yeah, the height is more than enough.
And then, let's say for example, if you're worried about where to store your shoes,
Yes.
just outside next to the door is where you have your shoe cabinet.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
So right now, we're going to move into the living space and you can see the flooring. It actually demarcates your entrance kitchenette to your living space area.
I like it. I
Come,
think it gives a
let's
look.
check it out.
Alright, sure, let's do. Hey Michelle, this dining area is tucked on a cozy corner. So after cooking, you can straight away dine here.
Yeah, actually it's very convenient, very suitable for like a couple having a nice dinner together.
In fact, if let's say they have another 2 more friends coming, you can actually bring out the table. You can even have another 2 more sitting.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yes.
With the dining area, we even have a spot for your study. You know, a lot of people like to work from home, so this cozy corner can let you, do your reading or even do your work at ease at home.
Yes, correct. In fact, it's a nice area and I can feel inspired as well, no? Sitting around here. Right. And Michelle, did you realize that this area, you can even fit a queen-size bed, a side table, and looking at the ceiling, remember just now we mentioned about approximate 4 meters in height?
About
Yeah.
4 meters high. I think it's a good idea for one to build a loft, 5 square meters. So
Yes.
that's approximate like a king size bed.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can actually double up your living space. So
Right.
on the top, you can, rest for the night. And below will be all your living space, like your, you can fit on a TV, you can do your work.
It's pretty private as well, no? When you sleep above and then below is all maybe your work area or additional living room area.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Hey Michelle, do you know when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you see is the luxury of the green that's good for your eyes.
Wow, it's like the landed feel.
Shall we go out to the balcony?
Come, I'll follow you.
Come.
Wow, Ning! We can have fresh air out here.
Yes, in the morning you can do your yoga.
Oh.
Then before you have a breakfast, you can have a breakfast table here. And in the evening,
we can enjoy a glass of wine, appreciating the greens.
right. And because the size is good, can you imagine a compact size like that? This balcony is a good size, right?
Yes.
Let me show you. There's also a walk-in wardrobe.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay, come, I'll follow you.
Come, let me show you. Let's go.
Okay. Hey, Ning, you're right. I think this is a very decent size and space for a walk-in wardrobe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you. if you're looking for your dress, you can actually on this light.
Oh, amazing.
And there's also a 3-pin plug inside. So let's say if you want to dry your hair, yeah, you can actually have your hair dryer inside as well.
That's very thoughtful.
So see, everything is full carpentry.
Oh, even with the drawers to put all the different accessories.
Right. Okay, then over here, okay, we do have a nice basin with the mirror, big enough.
Yeah, definitely big enough.
And see yourself?
Yes. Yeah, and then they have this nice storage as well.
Right. Okay, then this comes with the sliding door, sliding glass door. Okay, with the shower, the wet and the dry area.
Oh, I can see it's the Brohe brand.
Yes, they give you a very good brand. So you like what you see now?
Yeah, of course.
Though it is compact, but everything is well contained in this unit.
It's beautiful, really beautiful.
You and your guests can enjoy an elevated surround view at the second story of clubhouse with function room and gym overlooking the lap pool and the wading pool. You can even enjoy your tennis at the elevated tennis court and dining pavilions at level 6 of the Sky Terrace. If you like to have a quiet moment, you can even be at the meditation tech while your children is at the children's play area. And for convenience, okay, you can even go to cold storage, which is 1 minute walk away, McDonald's, Subway, even some restaurants as well. If you prefer NTUC, you just have to have a 5 minutes travel to Coronation Plaza.
For parents who are looking for a prestigious address which is near the renowned schools nearby, we have 4, which is the Anglo-Chinese School Primary, Singapore Chinese Girls Primary, Anglo-Chinese School Junior, as well as the St. Joseph Institute Junior. For travelling, it's convenient because it's just approximately 3 minutes walk to Stevens MRT station, which gives you the downtown line. And in time to come, you will also enjoy the future Thomson East Coast Line. And from here, it's one stop to Botanic Gardens MRT stations where you get to enjoy your Circle Line, as well as the Singapore Botanic Garden, which is Singapore's first UNESCO heritage site. And it's also one stop to Newton MRT station, which gives you the North-South line. And if you prefer to drive to the Orchard Road shopping belt, it's only 5 minutes drive, and to the CBD, it's only 10 minutes drive.
Hey Michelle, what do you like about this property?
Actually, for this property, to be very frank, I love the fact that it's very compact, okay, and then very well maintained. The finishings are of good quality, and the fact that it has very high ceiling gives me the ability to double up my living space, which is what I like.
Yes, I agree.
How about yourself, Ning?
Okay, I've always loved the address here. It's in the prestigious District 10. I like the convenience. It's like 3 minutes walk to MRT, freehold property. I don't think I can ever find such, in in Singapore. And having said that, the facilities here are pretty good, I would say. We have the pool, we have a nice tennis court on top. In fact, in the evening when I play, I really see beautiful sunset. And then if you really ask me, I think the gym is of a good size. I like the function room as well. So having to consider me staying here, I think this is one of my dream home. I know this property is going to be a home that I would like to go home to. So Michelle, who do you think can be the right group for this?
Well, I think for couples, couples who love a lifestyle, and then they like to be near to the city, convenience of the transport. Can be also for any singles who like a place where it's easy for them to maintain, very nice compact size.
They should be suitable for you,
Exactly. That's why I think it's something suitable for me as well.
Yes.
And also for some parents, they don't want the children to be traveling to and fro to the school nearby, to all the renowned school here. So it may be suitable for them to invest in a unit like this so that the child can stay here, and then they walk to the school. It's so convenient. So Ning, do you think this property would be more suitable as an investment?
I think it'd be for both. Okay, if let's say the buyer wants to buy for own stay, like I mentioned just now, it's very convenient. If it's for investment, similarly, it's also very convenient because it's approximately 3 minutes walk to the MRT. It's freehold, so which means it's an asset. Okay, and then I think there's no issue finding the right tenant. because the tenant profile here is of a certain quality. Okay, and over here, I seldom see any units that is actually going to be like vacant for too long. So not a bad idea for investment, can consider. Robin Residences is ideal for couples, single, or even parents are looking for a compact unit for their child studying near the prestigious school.
It's neat, it's cozy, and it's very easy to maintain, and just 1 minute walk to get your daily necessities, as well as 3 minutes walk to the nearest MRT. If you like what you see, do give us a call. I'm Michelle.
I'm Ning. We're from Urban Agents, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, let's see you in our next exclusive listing.